করে দেবো যখন বলবো এমন করবো।
হ্যাঁ রেকর্ড হচ্ছে তো।
ও হচ্ছে। Hi, this is Anwar. I am from Sydney in Australia. I came back here the date of 11th January. Today is 22 January. I'm gonna to back in my country today. This is actually Mr. Tanmoy. He's my cousin. Please come here, Tanmoy. Come on. Tanmoy, say something.
Good evening, good night.
And she is my daughter. Name is Andia Parvez Annum. Annum, say something. Say hi, hello.
Good
Hi,
morning,
hello.
good evening, and good night.
Good evening and good night.
Okay. Actually, she is shy. Okay, stop with her. Okay, bye bye.
But
Good night, good morning, bad evening.